Ayan guys, 7 days old. Ayan. Yung si Dos natin, saan ba si Dos dyan? Now I can't recognize which one is Dos. Si Dos is the one with the wry neck. So I don't know which one. Is it there? Siguro ito yun. No? But he's getting better, so that's it. Parang ito na yung magiging exercise nila to swim. Oh, parang may isang nalulunod. Ayan, oh. So, hayaan muna natin silang mag-swim, no? Yan, enjoy! Parang natatouch kasi yung paa nila doon. So, ayun guys, so, saan dyan si Dos? O, diba? Basta lumangoy siya, basta hindi siya stress, okay naman siya. So, basta hindi siya stress, okay siyang lumangoy. Pero pag stress siya, naku, yung leg niya talaga, ikot-ikot na naman. So, ayan. 7 days old today.